morning. Today is which day? Today.
Hello, good morning. Today is 13th of September and it's around 9 right now. तो कल मेरे को माइग्रेन हो रहा था, so I couldn't study much. I just completed 1.5 lecture of work and of time and work from Lodha. तो अभी starting में we are going to start our day with a CFA session. First study slot is usually for the revision of CFA. It's now 10:43 AM और मैंने इक्विटी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के चैप्टर 3 का वीडियो देख लिया और चैप्टर 1 और चैप्टर 2 मैंने अपने नोट्स में से रिवाइज़ कर लिए हैं एंड यहाँ पे कारपेंटर्स ने अपना काम भी स्टार्ट कर दिया है. सो नाउ लेट्स गो टू कोवर्किंग स्पेस और आगे का टाइम इज़ जस्ट डेडिकेटेड फॉर कैट. I am at the co-working space and currently doing time and work. For a few days, you all will see me just studying quants and CFA cause I made few targets which I had to complete by 15th of September. But 3-4 दिन पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाई तो अभी out of the 4 targets I have picked the 2 most important ones and my entire focus is to finish both of them. At around 3:26 PM, I was done watching all the lectures of time and work and it's now time for a long break. Also, I treated myself to a chocobar. Our Saturday है and the co-working space is all empty. I took out Lodha course booklet. अभी मेरे अरिथमेटिक में बस 3 टॉपिक्स बाकी है, टाइम एंड वर्क, टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस एंड क्लॉक्स. देयर आर अराउंड 78 क्वेश्चंस इन टाइम एंड वर्क और ये बहुत बड़ा टारगेट है विच आई एनी हाउ नीड टू फिनिश इन 4 to 4.5 आवर्स. सबसे पहले आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग द थ्योरी अगेन सो दैट अगर वीडियो देखने के बाद भी कोई गैप रह गया है कॉन्सेप्ट में तो क्लियर हो जाए, अदरवाइज एक क्विक रिविजन हो जाए. ऑल्सो to increase my application skills, I prefer doing solved examples before doing practice questions. अगर आंसर सही भी आता है तो भी I go through the explanation of the solved examples to ensure that the method I used is the best and the fastest. कोई और better approach दी हुई है तो I try to understand that approach. Solved examples are the best way to upskill oneself. इसके बाद I move to the practice sets. Generally, every practice set contains around 10 questions and I like to solve all 10 questions in one go in 20 minutes and then look at the answers. इस एक्सरसाइज से मेरी टाइम बेस्ड प्रैक्टिस हो जाती है since it's too early for me to start with mocks and too late to solve questions without any time boundation. After completing 20 questions, it's now time for a nutty break. Then I continued the task and in midway my blue pen got over. This is literally one of the best feelings. Finally, I completed all the 78 questions and it felt like a mini win. I was too tired to analyze the incorrect questions, तो उस टास्क को टाल दिया and अपना पूरा फोकस खाने पे शिफ्ट कर दिया. At around 9, it was time to go back home. At this point, the other half of the co-working space was looking so creepy that I literally had to call my friend to drop me downstairs. जाकर थोड़ा रेस्ट लिया and then around 10ish I started with CFA की पढ़ाई. ट्राई तो बहुत करा था CFA पढ़ने का बट सच में फोकस ही नहीं हो पा रहा था. So I called it a day. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.